Decorate a Python class such that most methods raise an exception if condition. I have had a situation arise where most methods of a class need to raise an exception if called except for one, if a certain condition is false. It would be possible to go into most methods and write if not condition such that each method will raise the exception if the condition is not true, but I think it is probably possible to do this somehow with a single decorator on the top of the class. This question is similar, but it involves decorating every method separately, and if I were going to do that, I might as well just put the if statement into each method. Here is some code and comments to help communicate it. Does anyone know how to do this? Have never decorated a class before, or tried to check its methods like this?
Implementing a proxy is as simple as that. Instead of obj equals SomeClass, you'd use obj equals proxy, SomeClass. All accesses to obj.attribute get intercepted by proxy.__getata__. That's the method you may add more logic to, e.g.
Largely adapting the code found here. Result?
The proxy would be my pick, but here is a decorator as requested. I added a test to exclude any methods starting with an underscore. You might want to include underscore internal methods, but take care not to mess with any special underscore methods.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.